Kia ora guys, welcome to another flip video session. Today we're learning to use splitting by factors to solve multiplication problems. Let's get into it. How can we use our knowledge of factors to help us multiply? Stay tuned, let's find out. Required knowledge. You need to know what factors are. So as a whole, as a group, we need to know factors of numbers. For example, 40 has the factors 1 and 40, 2 and 20, 4 and 10, 5 and 8. 22 has the factors of 1, 22, 2 and 11. When we have our first session, I want you to come and tell me all of the factors of 48. So when you come down on the mat, make sure you are able to identify all the factors of 48. Alright guys, so let's use this knowledge to help us multiply. So what we're doing is we're breaking up one of the numbers or one of the factors in our multiplication problem into smaller factors. For example, I've broken 51 groups of 40 into 51 times 4 times 10. So I've looked at the number 40 and I've said, that's a pretty tricky multiplication problem. I need to simplify that. What can I do? I can break 40 up into two smaller factors. For example, I've broken it up into 4 and 10 because 4 times 10 is 40. So I've transformed my original multiplication problem into 51 times 4 times 10. And now I'm going to solve that. 51 times 4 is 204, and then 204 times 10 is 2040. And one thing we should start doing, if we're unsure of our answer, we should try to work it out using a different strategy. So for example, you might want to use doubling and halving to solve this, just to make sure both of your answers are the same. Right, let's check out another example. 9 groups of 25. I've broken 25 up into 5 times 5 because 5 times 5 is 25. So I've transformed 9 times 25 into 9 times 5 times 5. Now I'm going to solve that. 9 groups of 5 is 9 times 5 is 45. And then I've gone 45 times 5, and that is 225. Alright, let's move on to another example. 3 groups of 44. I've broken 44 up into 4 groups of 11, or 4 times 11. So I've transformed 4 times 44 into 3 times 4 times 11. First step, 3 times 4 is 12. Then I go 12 times 11 equals 132. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed this flip, and hopefully you can use this strategy to solve your practice problems. Remember, you're picking one factor and you're breaking that down into 2 factors. Just like I've done here, I've broken 44 up into 4 and 11. Alright guys, good luck. Cheers.